What's up, y'all? We're back with another video. If you don't know me, hi, my name's Destiny. Welcome back. So today I'll be showing you how to do this style, passion twist. So let's just get into the video. So I already started on some of these passion twists, as you can see. I really like how it looks. Ugh, this conditioner's in my hair. Anyways, I think it's really cute. It's really light. It's just like the perfect style. It's not necessarily protective though, mainly because it's not like braids or anything. Braids are more of a protective style than these twists because your hair and ends are kind of just everywhere in a way. So what I'm going to do is grabbing 2 pieces of the hair that I bought. I'll put a picture of the pack of hair that I bought on the screen. And this hairstyle actually only took 2 packs of hair, not even a full 2 packs, like a pack and a half. So I think that's really good. So if you didn't see what I did, I just took 2 of the strands, kind of crossed them together as if you were doing braids. And here I'm putting hair gel in my hair, just making sure it's like a really smooth down because my hair is thick, and I found that when I was doing the twist, like my hair would like come out of the twist, so like I'm just making sure that it really mixes with the hair. So when I do these twists, I pretty much like just braided like the roots because I find that makes it like stay in more. So I braided the top part maybe like an inch or 2, and then the rest I just twisted down, and that's how you do passion twist. And yeah, just take your time, don't get frustrated because then the hair is gonna get tingly and then you're gonna have to start over. If you try to do your hair before, you understand what I'm saying. When I first did my hair, man, ooh. So now I am putting more hair gel at the ends to make sure. You really don't have to put hair gel in the beginning, honestly, but I do. But put hair gel on the ends and try to make it as smooth out as possible. The smaller the parts, the easier the hairstyle, or the smaller the twist. Because if you're making big parts, get a lot of hair, if that makes sense at all. If you're doing small parts, you really can only use the 2 strands. That would be cute. But if it was a big part, use like 3 strands or 4 strands, and yeah, so on. So really just make sure make sure you pay attention to how you're parting your hair. I'm so sorry, like it's early in the morning and I'm trying to do this voiceover. My brain is still loading. So here, I think I put my hand in like the hair gel and just kind of like go on the ends because it was like really like frizzy and I did not like that look. So I find that the hair gel just helps like the curl kind of sort of stay together. I noticed that the hair gel wasn't really doing much work, so I grabbed an edge control, argan oil edge control,
and I put it on my ends, and this honestly helped a ton. Okay, oh, by the way, I put leave-in conditioner before I started my hair, and then I put hair gel on top. So yeah, that's how I did them.